Hey everybody, Josh Butch here. Last year in July, the manufacturing team and myself had felt like we were kind of stuck and not really growing or developing our area the best we could. So I launched a lean manufacturing training program with the unit managers. And so we went through a training program, and then since then we have a morning meeting every day that we cover topics like safety, quality, and then we also talk about our improvements every day. So every day I task the managers to make a 2-second improvement, meaning improvement that would just save us 2 seconds every day. So no huge changes, but if everybody's making a 2-second improvement every day, at the end of the year, you've made a big change in where you're at as a company instead of getting stuck on trying to make big improvements and never actually finishing them. So I wanted to do a video, or we wanted to do a video recapping all of our favorite improvements from the first quarter of 2025. So here's our improvements. Hey Tom, what was your favorite improvement for March?
All the tools are in my drawer, all situated where they're supposed to be. They used to be just scattered everywhere.
All right, Heather, what was your favorite improvement for March?
We took the door area, the assembly area, from over here, where we were too close to each other and in each other's way, to over here, and it gave us more room, and we have the same amount of stuff on each side.
So each side's the same now and they have all the tools and stuff that they need?
Yeah.
All right, Matt, what was your favorite improvement?
The retainers, how we do them. Like,
So what do you do?
well, we'll take these, we got a template for the retainers. You can grab a retainer, an idea with the template on which one it is.
So now if something got mixed up, you can check it and put it back in the right bin?
Yeah,
Okay.
because they are labeled across through here as well.
Okay.
And then, as far as the rivets that we use for the retainers, they're color coded.
Okay.
And they have all the numbers on them for which rails each rivet goes in. So we use the blue, yellow, and the green, and the red ones are down on the end for the flue mount brackets.
All right, Kim, what was your favorite improvement for March?
Okay, so at this table, we make controls. So the control gets several parts to it. It gets a guide operator, a housing, wiring, a board, and before we would have to walk halfway across the room to get the guide operators and the cans for the control, and the harnesses would be on another shelf across the room. So now we have this area set up to where the housings that we need to make the control are right here behind the workstation on the rack. And then here on the rack, we have the guide operators, and then we have all the harnesses and the tools needed.
All right, Charlie, what was your favorite improvement for March?
The fixture rack, we redid all the labels. The fixtures used to just sit in here all willy-nilly, but now we know exactly what fixture is for what and how to grab it.
All right, Todd, what was your favorite improvement?
My favorite improvement is this rack full tooling. Nothing was labeled. We had old tools here. We threw all them away, reorganized by the punches and the dies. Very organized. We had old cabinets falling down. They're gone. Everything's organized now.
Hey, David, what's your favorite improvement for March?
All right, so here's what we got in bending. So we've got some old tooling that we was using to flatten out some of these parts right here where this washer gets welded. Then the washer was kind of warping it. So we made this. This was what we were using, the old tool. Greg, the team lead in bending, realized that it needed a little bit of an improvement. So we all got our heads together, come together, and made this new tooling. And what it is we were having two people at once holding these up in here. Just to give you an idea, they were holding this up here on this part here, like this, and he was having to balance it and then step away where they could flatten that out. So we got our heads together, made this tooling, put a dimple on here, and now one guy can take it, set it up on here, step away from it, come down, flatten it, and it's got a counter recess here that'll go down and flatten the washer. And my operator walked away, so I can't show you how it does it. But the basis of it, this comes down, flattens the washer, and made it safer, and got new tooling, so everything's good and bending.
All right, Gary, what was your favorite improvement?
Well, what we did, we always had our labels in the desk, and we had to keep opening this up and getting them out. So what we did, we organized them on this rod to where when the unit's here, we just get the ones we need, put on it.
All right, Teddy, what was your favorite improvement for March?
Okay, one of my favorite things back here is before all these fixtures were on the wall, they were all in bins over here, in a bin just piled up on racks, and you had to dig through them and pick them out. Now you can go over here, we got labels on them. When you take it off, you got the outside, so you know it's missing, you know where it goes. The good thing about this improvement is we had everybody involved, the team members. We went and got the wood, they painted it, one of them labeled it, the other one outlined it, so that's one of my favorite improvements.
All right, Brad, what was your favorite improvement for March?
Alright, my favorite improvement was this fixture rack we got. What we did was we made tools, you know, now we can, we got specific tools to switch out our spot welders. Got our tips here, we got our Teflon tape, screwdriver, everything you need to switch the welders, change out tips and stuff like that. When before, we would have to go to our toolbox, and sometimes you would get the wrong tool or whatever, you'd have to go back over there and get the right tool.
All right, Mark, what was your favorite improvement for March?
This rack right here, everything used to just be thrown in here. None of the fixtures had a certain spot. So we labeled everything, top to bottom, fixtures and all, so they each got their own certain spot. The same way with our drawer with our tools in it. Everything's got its own place. That's the way it's organized and you can find it easily.
All right, Barry, what was your favorite improvement for March?
Well, we used to use this spreadsheet right here, and it worked good for when we was using it, but we eliminated that now because of our new system we got going Epicor. So that like cut our time in half. We would list everything in here, so that's really been a huge improvement for polishing.
Good. So how much time do you think that's saving you?
I would say at least 5 minutes for every job that we clock out.
That's awesome.
So yeah, that's a big help. So now we got our job tracker and everything. Everything's right here that we need to find stuff. So I've showed that to everyone back here, and I really like it. So far it's saving a ton of time.